Hello everyone, welcome back to Autotrend TV. This is Viprajesh. In this video today, I would like to talk about the new Renault Duster facelift unveiled for the global markets. As you may already know, it is the first generation Dacia Duster SUV that is being sold as the Renault Duster in India. Meanwhile, a couple years ago, the second generation Dacia Duster SUV was introduced in other global markets. Despite featuring an evolutionary design language, the second generation Duster SUV is largely all new, with a brand new platform, brand new interiors, and more features. Dacia has finally unveiled the 2021 facelifted Duster, which gets new visual updates, more features, along with additional safety equipment. While the side profile of the new 2021 Renault Duster appears similar to the first generation model, the front and rear fascia are sleeker and more modern, with all new LED lamps and different treatment for the bumpers. While the overall design language remains exactly the same as before, the chrome grille gets a different treatment, while the headlamps get new Y-shaped LED DRLs similar to other latest Dacia products. Just like the headlamps, the tail lamps too receive Y-shaped LED elements, while the tailgate design has been kept simple. The new facelifted Duster also gets multiple 15 and 16-inch alloy wheel choices depending on the powertrain and engine option. The facelifted Duster also gets new spoiler designs with new wheel bearings, tires and more efficient lights, which are claimed to reduce CO2 emissions on the four-wheel drive Duster. While the interior layout remains exactly the same as before, with the very same 4-spoke steering wheel, the facelifted Duster gets new seats which are claimed to be more comfortable than before, along with a redesigned center console, improving storage and practicality options. The higher spec variants of the new facelifted Duster also gets the new 8-inch touchscreen system, which also gets Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and a voice recognition system. Apart from this, the new Duster also gets heated front seats, automatic climate control, and cruise control. Apart from the standard safety equipment including multiple airbags, the new Duster also offers multi-view camera and a blind spot monitoring system. Powertrain options for the new facelifted Duster include a 1-litre 3-cylinder turbocharged petrol engine producing 91 PS of maximum power, a 1-litre bi-fuel engine compatible with petrol and LPG which produces 101 PS of maximum power, and a 1.3-litre 4-cylinder turbocharged petrol engine similar to the Indian model which produces 152 PS of maximum power. Then there is also the 1.5-litre DCI turbo diesel producing 117 PS of maximum power. While all the engines are available with a standard 6-speed manual transmission, the 1.3-litre turbo petrol engine is also available with a CVT automatic gearbox. Dacia has also introduced an all-new 6-speed dual-clutch automatic gearbox available on the turbocharged petrol engines. While the petrol engines are available only as a front-wheel drive, a 4-wheel drive system is available only with the turbo diesel engine. Renault India has patented the new second-generation Duster design in India, and due to the poor sale numbers of the first-generation Duster, it is expected that the new second-generation Duster will also be brought into India by 2022. Stay tuned for further updates regarding the new Renault Duster. Meanwhile, this is Viprajesh signing off. See you on another video. Thank you for watching.